Hey crafty friends, welcome back to Cardz TV. This is Mary, and I hope you all had a wonderful, blessed Thanksgiving. We are all so thankful for all the many blessings that we have, our family, our friends, all the things that God so abundantly blesses us with. And I'm especially thankful for all of you. Thank you so much for continuing to watch Cardz TV and being part of my YouTube family. I love you guys. Now, today we're going to continue on with the countdown to Christmas, and we're going to do another Christmas card. We're going to use some papers from this Cardabella paper pad called Christmas Delivery. I've had this a couple of years, and I've kind of hoarded it because I love the papers in here, and I'm trying to make it last. We're also going to use this Cricut cartridge. This is from Teresa Collins, and it's called December 25th. And I love the images in this cartridge. They're just so easy to use, to cut out, and to make just really great Christmas cards with. So I'll get what we need over here, and we'll get started on this card. I wanted to use this deer in this cartridge, and I just cut the deer out, and I cut it out 3 times at 3 inches. And I did it 3 times because I wanted some dimension to the deer, but I knew I could not put it on foam tape because of these antlers. It just would have been impossible. So I took the 3 cuts and glued them together and gave him just a little bit of dimension, and he kind of looks and feels like chipboard now. But as I said, I cut him at 3 inches. And I just kind of built this card around this deer shape. I think that's so pretty. So we've got a regular A2 card base, and I've used white. And this is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inches when folded. I have a red mat, which is 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. And then from that paper pack, I've got this plaid. I love this. I think it's so pretty. This is 4 inches by 5 1/4. Now, I wanted something else from that paper pack to kind of break up all of that plaid. So I've cut this mat at 2 1/8 by 5 1/4, and I'm going to center that right down the middle of that plaid. And the plaid kind of helps me know that I've got it lined up just right. So I'll grab my glue, and we'll get all this put on the front of our card base. My card base is all ready. I love these patterns together. Now I wanted something to put my deer on, so I've cut 2 squares. One is out of the same red as that first mat, and it's a 2 7/8 inch square. And then this is some green with holly and pine leaves on it, and I thought that was really pretty. And it's 2 3/4 inches. I'm going to adhere these together. Now I'm not going to put this on as a square. I'm going to turn it so it becomes a diamond shape. And I'm going to center it because it goes all the way to each side. And then I'm going to center it right here from the top and the bottom as well. And I'll put this down flat, and then I'll have some place to put my little deer. So I'll go ahead and get these adhered together. Okay, we've got this down now. Now let's bring in the deer, and I'm going to glue him, I think, right about there. And then for the sentiment, I cut out an 1.5 inch circle, and I used some red ink and stamped Merry Christmas. Now I do have this on foam tape, and I'm going to put that right there as soon as I get that deer adhered down. Here's my finished card, and didn't it turn out pretty, guys? You can see I went ahead and added some gold glitter gems, and I think that just added just the right amount of sparkle to this card. Now this card, because it's so quick and easy, would be great to mass produce. Just go ahead and cut out all your deer. It's just the one cut. cut out your circle, get your stamping done, cut all your pieces, and just put them together assembly line style, and you've got all your Christmas cards in just a little while. This one was really fun, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this, and I hope you'll give it a try. I love you all. God bless you all. Thank you so much for coming by and spending some time with me today, and I will see you again soon with another card. Bye now.